An exit strategy helps business owner ensure the long-term success of their company. A good succession plan creates a blueprint for ownership transfer as you exit your business. Planning early can head off issues and produce other benefits, including having the time to retain the key employees and mitigating the tax burdens triggered by a sale. Let's get into it. Make a plan. As a first step of a succession plan, assemble a team of experts. Work with a lawyer and an accountant and a financial advisor who can help you make any necessary changes to your business legal structure and ensure the proper paperwork is in place. Get an appraisal from a third party to determine the value of your business. If your valuation comes lower than you expected, work to increase the value of your business before it is time to sell. Next, think about what kind of relationship you want with the business after you exit. Be sure there are employees who can take over your responsibilities and there are no tasks only you know how to do. Choose a successor. Once you know the role you want to play, it is time to choose a successor. Number 1, heirs. Transferring ownership to another family member is a popular choice. Think objectively about their abilities if they have necessary skill to run the business. Number 2, business partners. If you want to sell off your interest in the business to your partner or partners, set up a buy-sell agreement. Number 3, employees. Selling to someone in management at the company can be a good way to ensure continuity in succession. Number 4, third party. If your heirs and the employees are not interested in taking over your business, you can sell to an outside buyer. A succession plan is only useful if it is up to date. It can be a difference between the business succeeding under a new generation of leadership or ending with you. If it has been a while since you have taken a look at a succession plan, I encourage you to reach out. We would be happy to help. Please send me an email at ajanstatuswp.com or call me at 480-630-1413.